Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Complete Everything channel. My name is Richard. So on my back you can see this is the motor for our safety drive module. And you can see we have two sets here. So if we take a look at this side, you can see we have two sets of module here in this factory plant. You can see that the motor and then that's the reducers. And then if we take a look at this side, you can see the red one coupling. The coupling is connecting the transmission connections and then making the modules to rotate. So if we take a look at this side, it's the more intuitive because this one is operating. You can see this is the reducer, this is the red one, the coupling, and then it's connected to the transmitter connections, and then making the module to rotate. The green one is the shocking wheel, and then the finished products will be discharged here and then lifted up by the bucket elevator to the seat. So yeah, then guys, I will introduce about other part of our module.